Hello, Radhe Radhe. Welcome in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share my channel. Guys, support to our channel. Today topic is pick a card. How will be your next day tomorrow according your all sun sign from Aries to Pisces. Let's start from Aries. How will be your next day tomorrow according to cards? You are currently not focusing on the resources you already have. You are trying to acquire other resources in which you have not yet found complete success. It's possible that you have recently gone through a major setback, causing both financial and emotional loss. Although recovering from this is not easy, valuable lesson can still be learned to move forward. If you have achieved some success in certain areas, don't let arrogance creep into your behavior. Success and failure are complementary to each other, so stay away from carelessness and pride, as these can distance you from your close one, friend and colleagues. Try to understand that failure can also open new doors. Forget what has passed and focus on building something new ahead. Thank you, Radharani, for Aries. Now, Taurus turn. According to card, the destination of your work is near, but achieving that success is only possible after relentless effort. No matter how complex the circumstances are, try to double your determination and self-confidence. You might be carrying a heavy workload and feel incapable of completing it. In such a situation, you can seek help from someone. Suddenly, some responsibility have fallen on you with the family, due to which you are beginning to feel alone. Because of this responsibility, you are unable to plan for starting a new task. You are trying for your child higher education. There are significant stress in the family regarding someone's marriage. Among the proposals that have come so far, none seem satisfactory. However, efforts are ongoing. You are confident that a good match will be found soon. Thank you, Radharani, for Taurus. Now, Gemini turn. Let's pull card for Gemini. According to card, a close friend has helped you overcome the financial crisis. In business, by offering financial support, you will soon be able to restart your business. The upcoming time is one of wish fulfillment. Couples without children may see their desire for a child fulfilled. Gradually, path will open for the fulfillment of all your desires, bringing great excitement to life. A new change is coming in your life, and everything may become better than before. God may bless you with happiness. Your job search may soon come to an end. The family atmosphere is full of enthusiasm. There may be preparation for someone marriage. You have been trying to buy a new house for a long time, but for some reason this wish had not been fulfilled yet. Now there is a strong possibility that this will also come true. Slowly all your desires are on verge of being fulfilled. Thank you Radharani for Gemini. Now Cancer. Let's pull card for Cancer. I can see according to card in the coming time you should bring some new changes into your life. You can add sweetness to your speech and bring positive shifts in your thinking. Although your nature is generally good, harshness in your word can push people away. There are certain individuals whose negativity is influencing your thought. Try to distance yourself from them and make them aware of this impact. Make an effort to be more polite in your behavior. A gentle demeanor can charm others and help you get your work done without much difficulty. This is something you had not realized until now, but a recent lesson from someone has made you understand it. There might be some discussing regarding a new project. You will present your new plan thoroughly in front of your superiors. It's possible that you may have to complete a task on your own and no one else may come forward to help you at that moment. You have been trying for a long time to mend a certain relationship and now your efforts are bringing to bear fruit. Your relationship with others are becoming sweeter. You may need to take some decision to bring changes in your business. Make sure these decisions don't negatively impact your colleagues. Thank you Radha Rani for Cancer. Leo. Positive thoughts often arise in a calm mind, and those thoughts may include new ways to move forward. Try to complete any task with patience and a calm mindset. Your work will definitely be accomplished. If you are facing difficulties in any task, consider sharing your concern with an experienced person. Haste and rushing can ruin your effort, and excessive anger can impact your success. You may have forgotten the help someone gave you in the past. Now that they might need your support, you may not be paying attention to them. Ignoring ignoring something too much and prove harmful. You seem to you seem so intact in ignoring something too much can prove harmful. You seem so intact in certain matter that you missing out on other important aspects. Trying to balance and progress with all tasks together can help you achieve success. Avoiding interfering in other work. Make an effort to come up with new ideas and plans to grow your business in life. You may need to make some compromises. Don't overlook important aspect of your work. Success in any form can cost you harm. Thank you for Leo Radharani. Thank you very much. Virgo. Growing misunderstanding in your love life or marriage have reduced the sweetness in your relationship, and even communicating with each other has become difficult. Some people may try to sabotage your effort to succeed in your professional life. Be cautious when sharing anything related to work or personal matter. Share only after careful thought. Don't trust anybody blindly. Keep your emotion under control. Be wary of people who act overly affectionate in workplace. Some individual may envy your growing reputation and may attempt to harm your progress due to jealousy. The current time is not in your favor. Placing too much trust in anyone right now can be harmful. This period advises you to stay away from any conflicted. Don't complete tasks in haste. You should act with patience and self-control. Rushing may lead to failure and cause you minor troubles repeatedly. Keep your mindset positive and impactful. Thank you, Radha Rani, for Leo. Sorry, Virgo. Now, Libra turn. Frequent anger and arrogance from past success can negatively affect your current work. Control your anger and speech. If someone had helped you in the past, they might now need your support, but you may not be paying attention to them. Ignoring anything excessively can prove harmful. You are so entangled in one matter that you have overlooking other important aspect. Trying to manage all tasks together can help lead you toward success. Avoiding interfering in other work. Focus on developing new ideas and plan to grow your business. You may need to make some compromises in life. Don't ignore important aspect of your work. Excess any matter can bring harm. Try to improve your habit of procrastinating. If family members' youth behavior has disturbed everyone and people are trying to find a way out of this situation. Thank you, Radharani, for Libra. Scorpio. In your workplace, a colleague has taken full credit for your success and gained praise from senior officer, leaving you feeling isolated. This behavior has deeply troubled you, and now there is possibility that your colleagues might receive a promotion, ignoring your hard work and honesty. This sudden news may leave you feeling deceived. Despite this, everyone admires your skill and gentle demeanor. A friend has spread some rumors about you which may have upset someone close to you. Strengthen your position at work, as you will need this stability in the near future. You might even need to search for a new job. Be prepared for any situation. Time is likely to become unfavorable soon. Instead of panicking, raise up your courage and morale. Don't involve others in every decision of your life, nor give them the right to influence your choices. Thank you, Radharani, for Scorpio. Sagittarius. The world, Hangman, the Emperor. Don't always ignore what others say. While you have full confidence in your ability and potential, it's still important to listen to others. You may meet someone at work whose positive thought and personality leave a strong impression on you. Your optimistic mindset, energetic nature, and desire for authority and pushing you toward a higher position, and soon you may see this goal being fulfilled. However, don't support everything someone says just because you admire them. What seems right to them might not be right for you. In such situation, careful thought is essential. If you are searching for a job, you may find someone soon. Will someone help you? You are working relentlessly in pursuit of great success, but this could affect your health, so balancing work with rest is also important. Thank you, Radharani. Capricorn. Your heart and mind are not in harmony right now, which is causing significant confusion. Someone you trusted had shaken that trust. A lie that told has suddenly come to light, deeply hurting you. Although they have promised not to repeat it, you are finding it hard to believe them. At work, a colleague may file a complaint against you for inappropriate behavior. It's possible that a joke you made hurt someone more than you realize. Try to change the habit of mocking others excessively. You may find yourself feeling isolated in a situation. Gather your courage and work to come out of it. If you take the initiative, others will be willing to help you. Thank you, Radharani, for Capricorn. Some people habit of rushing you has started to annoy you, but this irritation could give you the strength to move forward. The constant drive to do something will push you ahead. New ideas and fresh thinking can be very helpful in your progress. You may attempt to start a new venture, although it may involve some risks. You don't like living or working in ordinary way. You always attract people with your charm. You are excited by the news of new superior coming on your workplace. This new person brings fresh, perceptive, and modern ideas and impresses others with their knowledge. You are now planning to share your idea or start a new business with a close friend, confident it will yield positive results soon. Don't let others' opinion dominate so much that you lose your own thinking. It's important to understand that different people may have different viewpoint and not everyone can think the same way. Holding on to envy or animosity is not part of your nature. Thank you, Radharani, for Aquarius. Pisces. Dreaming and achieving those dreams inspire progress. Just dreaming is not enough to make dreams come true. It requires determination and courage. The changes coming in your life could transform it entirely. There is a possibility of new romantic relationship starting. Pending tasks will given to move forward. Workplace issues can be resolved with the guidance of experienced person. Prosperity, happiness are visible from all the sides of your life. The arrival of new person in your life may bring excitement and energy. A major dispute with relative may come to an end. You may plan a large religious event with your family. Your skills and behavior impress everyone. Appreciation from higher authorities for your work will motivate you. There may be marriage proposal coming from abroad. The dreams of starting a job, education or business abroad could some become a reality. Thank you Radharani for Pisces. Thank you so much again and again. Guys, please support us. Please do more, like, share and subscribe my channel. Radhe Radhe. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.